Train today. Excel tomorrow. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been around, welcome back. We're grateful for you. Now let's get started. During this week's managers meeting, we discussed the importance of empathy in both HR and marketing. We talked about how empathy can help us better understand our target audience and create messaging that resonates with them on a deeper level. Empathy means understanding the emotions and feelings of others and being able to put yourself in their shoes. And in HR and marketing, effective communication is key to success. One important aspect of communication is empathy. With our marketing director, Hailey, we talked about how empathizing with our target audience's pain points, goals, and motivations can help us create messaging that showcases the unique value proposition of our products/services. We also talked about how developing a content strategy that includes messaging tailored to each target audience and incorporates storytelling and emotional appeals can increase engagement and conversions. When it came to the human resources department, Anna and I spoke about how empathy can be critical in conflict resolution and performance management. We discussed how, as managers, we can show empathy to current interns who are struggling to keep up with the pace of hiring with little experience. We talked about scheduling one-on-one meetings with each intern, acknowledging their efforts, and fostering a supportive team culture. For HR, we will be implementing a more empathetic approach to conflict resolution and performance management, with a focus on creating a positive and supportive work environment for all employees. Thank you all for your time and dedication to the success of our company. Let's continue to work together to make our messaging more effective and our workplace more supportive. If you've visited the w.r.a.c website or have worked for this organization, you understand why this work is so important to us all. Please visit, follow, and subscribe to us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok at w.r.a.c. Check us out on LinkedIn at w.r.a.c and Connections, and follow the owner's personal page. You can also follow us on Twitter at w.r.a.c. We also have a new fanbase page and a second TikTok page called Career Catcher, where we discuss corporate training. Don't forget to check out our website. And be sure to email us questions you may have.